welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, a futuristic electric pickup truck that continues to break barriers in design, performance, and sustainability. Tesla has redefined the concept of utility vehicles with this bold, innovative offering. The exterior of the 2025 Cybertruck is unlike anything else on the road. Its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton is designed for durability and protection, making it resistant to dents, corrosion, and impacts. The minimalist design is complemented by an expansive LED light bar at the front and rear, creating a sleek yet rugged aesthetic. Its aerodynamic shape ensures better efficiency. Even with its massive size, the Cybertruck is powered by Tesla's advanced electric drivetrain, available in single, dual, and tri-motor configurations. The top-tier tri-motor variant delivers mind-blowing performance, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. It offers a range of over 500 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long-distance journeys. The impressive towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds and a payload capacity of 3,500 pounds make it a true workhorse. Tesla's adaptive air suspension further enhances its versatility, allowing drivers to adjust ride height for different terrains. Inside, the Cybertruck offers a minimalist yet futuristic cabin. The dashboard features a 17-inch touchscreen that serves as the control center for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The spacious interior comfortably seats up to 6 passengers, with durable materials designed for heavy use. The panoramic glass roof adds a sense of openness, while the built-in storage compartments provide practicality. Tesla has also integrated advanced self-driving capabilities, offering hands-free driving on compatible highways. Safety is a core focus in the Cybertruck, with Tesla equipping it with features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and a reinforced structure for maximum protection. Over-the-air software updates ensure the vehicle remains up-to-date with the latest features and improvements. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is more than just a pickup truck. It's a statement of innovation, performance, and sustainability. Whether you need a vehicle for work, adventure, or daily use, the Cybertruck stands out as a game-changer in the automotive industry. Thank you for watching this review of the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest cars and bikes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more detailed insights and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.